Hello everyone. Moin's principal, Cookie, went to his friend Cuckoo, means Mr. Reddy's clinic. But why? Let's find out by enjoying the story of Moin and the Monster, Chapter 5, Cookie Goes Cuckoo. Principal Kutty Krishnan was sharing his problems to Dr. Reddy. He told that he was seeing things. Also, he was hearing things. He added that it was a pink ugly thing in his dustbin in the school. Meanwhile, Dr. Reddy took notes furiously. This had all the signs of being a very interesting case. He could write a paper about it in Mind Matters, the most famous psychology journal in the world. Principal Cookie said that he was having his lunch when suddenly his dustbin rolled over and fall. Everything fell out, all the trash. He swallowed his vada whole. He was so surprised. Dustbins don't fall by themselves. Reddy did not reply and he was busy writing in his book. Cookie told Cuckoo that he got up to look thinking that some cat or rat might have got in, but nothing was there. Simply some paper, banana peels and some old riffles, the usual trash. So he left it like that and went back to eat. Principal uttered that after having a good meal and his stomach was full, he felt very satisfied and he was in good happy mood and he sang his school anthem. Then Cookie scowled. But as he was singing, suddenly one horrible voice started singing with him. It was changing all the words and sang in high-pitched voice. Cookie began to sing. Mr. Reddy searched desperately for cotton to stuff in his ears. One more song like that and he would go deaf. Then Cookie told that when he saw it, it was an ugly pink thing and standing on the pile of trash and singing. Mr. Reddy replied, "Hallucination." He wrote it in his book. Hallucination means an experience in which you see, hear, feel or smell something that does not exist. After that, principal wanted to talk to that ugly pink thing. Then the door shot open and 3 students rushed into the room. He was very relieved to see them. That ugly pink thing might have attacked to see him if he was alone. Dr. Reddy got more and more excited on hearing this and asked Cookie about students' experience after seeing that ugly pink thing. And in excitement, his pen flew over his paper. They said that there was nothing there. Principal Cookie asked them if they had heard the horrible singing and they said that they had never heard so much silence in their lives. Principal Cookie was shocked. Either they were lying or he was having hallucination. So he went near the dustbin and found that pink thing, that ugly thing was actually just a drawing on paper. One of the students said that it was his drawing of an alien. It fell off the notice board and so he was looking for it. Then Cookie remembered that he had picked up a piece of paper just outside his room and put it in the dustbin. So it was a drawing. That evening, Parvati, Tony and Moin sat in Moin's room and discussed about how the monster met Principal Cookie. The monster was lying on the windowsill and eating dates which Tony had brought for it. Moin's mother came in with some sandwiches and a bunch of bananas. The monster grabbed the bunch of bananas as soon as she left the room. Keep reading, keep enjoying. Thank you.